Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I'm Blessing. In today's lesson, we shall be talking about the homophones there, there, T-H-E-R-E, T-H-E-I-R, and T-H-E-Y-R-E. That's apostrophe R-E. So on the board, we have the homophones there, there, and there. Now, homophones are words that have different meanings, different spellings, but same pronunciation. So, these three words can be confusing, most especially to English language learners who are struggling to adapt to the English language and the usage of these homophones. Now, if you look at this, there is a word that functions differently in English grammar, following its place of occurrence and usage. Now, for you to be able to decipher which of these homophone is to be used in a sentence or is being referred to in a sentence, you have to understand the place of its occurrence and its function in that particular sentence. Now, like I said, there, T-H-E-R-E, is a word that functions differently in English grammar following its place of occurrence and usage. Now, there can function as a noun, and when it functions like a noun, it refers to a place, a place. Now, if it functions as an adverb, then it implies the opposite of here. So if you're not here, you are there. So there at this point functions as an opposite of here, the adverb here. Also there, T-H-E-R-E, can function as a pronoun in a sentence. It can equally function as an adjective in a sentence. So you have to understand its function at a particular time in a particular sentence. Let's continue with the rest of the homophones. Then I'll give you sentences that will illustrate how these homophones are used in sentences. So there, T-H-E-I-R, there, which functions as a possessive adjective, showing that something belongs to someone or another person. Now, there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E is a contraction of the words there and are, they and are. So, for instance, I say, they are coming, they're coming. Then you should see that this contraction is applicable in that sentence. Let's move on to the examples on the board. The first example we have is, I have never been to Akwa Ibom, but next year I will go there. I have never been to Akwa Ibom, but next year I will go there. Now remember what I said, that there at this point function as a noun because it talks about the place Akwa Ibom. Then the second example we have, may I please come there? May I please come there? Now, if you look at the example, you will see that there is used as an opposite of here. If you don't come here, you go there. So, may I please come there? At this point, it functions like an adverb. Also, the boys are jovial. They're fun to be with. Now you see they're fun to be with. They are, the contraction there. They're fun to be with. So this there is the correct form. The correct homophone to be here is there. So they are fun to be with. They're fun to be with. Number 4 example we have. There are many books in the library. There are many books in the library. Now, there at this point functions as a pronoun referring to books. A pronoun referring to books. So, there are many books in the library. It doesn't talk about a place. Why does it talk about an opposite of here? The adverb here. No, it is a pronoun talking about books in the library. Now, number 5, the students came with their writing materials. The students came with their writing materials. Now you see that there at this point is talking about possession. The writing materials to the student. The writing materials belong to the students. So there, which function as the possessive adjective, is the right homophone to use, the right word to use. Number 6, we have the psychologist is there to help you. The psychologist is there to help you. Don't forget, adjective is a word that modifies a noun or qualifies a noun. So, is there at this point give more detail about the psychologist who is avail his or herself to be there to help you. So at this point, there function as an adjective. Number 7, I will be there for you no matter the situation. I will be there for you no matter the situation. So, at this point, you see that this homophone there equally function as an adjective. I'll be there for you no matter the situation. Number 8, she performed excellently while I was there. Do you know what that means? While I was with her, or while I was staying with her. So he talks about a place. So at this point, there is a noun, function as a noun. So she performed excellently while I was there. Number 9, they're the boys I told you about. They're the boys I told you about. Now look at the correct form. They're the boys I told you about. Or if I don't want to use this contraction, I will say, they are the boys I told you about. So with this contraction, we have there. They're the boys I told you about. Number 10, the father is a teacher. The father is a teacher. So at this point, we're talking about some people whose father is a teacher. So there, T-H-E-I-R, there. The father is a teacher. Now, we've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have been able to know the differences between these homophones there, there, and there. So, if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, do well to click the subscribe button, like this video, share this video. See you in our next lesson. Bye for now.